Hi, this is Stephanie Merchant, founder of thenutritionmom.com. There are so many different ways to use an ice tray. Today, we are going to make strawberry popsicles. They're totally healthy, huge benefit, kids love them, super easy, and it calls for 2 ingredients. All you need is 4 large strawberries and 3/4 cup of almond milk. You're going to take that and you're going to blend those in your blender. You're going to pour that mixture into your ice cube tray. Now we cover that tray with 2 layers of plastic wrap. And we do that because we want to make sure that our cake pop sticks actually stay in the middle where we want them. We then place that in the freezer and we just wait. When they're done, you take them out and you enjoy them.